go. Guys, kecil akan tulisan. Yang tulis bawah. Bis. Angka koko. Labo kira rapi. Is. Lock is the scrub. Let's go. Sa malaw sa control. Ang nababalik ako ay Easter. Postman. Isa mo naman. Oh, ano? Hoy. Ano mo ang Sky? Ano sa? Hoy. Yes. Aman, aba. Oh. Yeah, the crash! Ang nangyari ang gusto niya ang game. Roblox 5 AM. Is squad. Putak squad. Let's go. Right now. Let's go. I'm another fee. No. Oh, see my ass. How can I go and ay, yes,
Ito. Kayo naman.
Daddy! Daddy, Nani, Kriste.
Nakaupo sa bintana. Ito.
Ay, si my daddy, as man. Wah, lang nga malas. Well, oh my god. I guys sit down, guys. Mas po. I'm done. Nak pada sudah ada. Hello. Ada kasi deh. Wah, sudah apa? Asli. Itu sekolah deh. Bisa kok. Ini sekolah deh. Terserah. Nakakokas ko.
Alam ko ito mga
Mama, see you.
Yung labas.
Ang ano to? Anong ibig to?
Yung sa may pagkakit ng hagdan. Di ba yung pagkakit ng sa pintuan? Yung sa may unicorn yung sa labas ng pintuan nila.
Kaya sa secretary. Hindi, guys. Yung sinama ko sa is not get boy and wala sa hati siya. Ano?
Papasok ba?
Okay.
Kaya nga, mga tugto ano na, sila na eh. Hindi, araw-araw, nagbilang eh, di mababa na yung pinagmamagay.
Diba? Ay, defo. Alay. Defo. Ay. Alright. Defo de.
Digital.
Mostly, wala po. Ha. Hey.
Ayun,
Wala.
ayun,
Yan na. Bye. Love you. Guys, sorry si Tamala
Kasi
pa.
ano, hindi ko pa natawa kasi wala.
Diba?
Mahal na pag kayo, magaling kayo. Papaano na lang sa mahal lang. Lagi mo. Kaya, vitamins mo. Kumaiwas na ako sa kanin. Sa kuyat daw, bawal kuyat.
Aba na pa ang si Troy. Na, nalab po.
Kuyat ka kasi busy pa rin ako.
Yes po.
Ang oras, maaga.
Okay.
Oras, tulad mo, konti lang.
Ano nga, sa ano pa kasi Troy? Ay, nanggabay.
Sino? Sino? Ha? Ano si Michael Taba? Nasa yung Michael Jackson.
Nami?
Ito! Ano naman ito? Dadayain mo yung daddy mo eh. Ano ito yun? Nakakapit.
Eh! Eh!
Dito ka dapat parang nakapit. Sige, bakit ka dali? Sa gitna. Okay. Okay, dali.
Dati, umawas eh.
Ha? Ayan.
Ada, oh, mami dati sawa. Dah,
Kami dati daw tawa. Kaya tawa daw.
boleh.
Okay na.
Lagi.
Ganon.
Okay, boleh. Jadi oh, dati mami sawa.
Sawa.
Oh, sawa.
Eh,
Dia ba sabi? Jadi, apa?
ang lamig-lamig.
Bye.
Awas
May konti skill.
Okay na?
Hindi yung alas 12 na.
Love you.
Tulog si Joshua. Kaya, blended din, nasa pa. Hindi pa, sure ka. Hindi, online. Hindi. Basta siya pumasok. Dati sila lang. Nakakita daw.
Oh, so, let's go now. Let me see for this. Sarap. So, ayun. Gusto ba lang ko siya? Anyways. Sabi to. Na naman. La. Kasat. For me, ano to? Maya, ngayon kita. Yo. Amis. Ada ko. Doon. Push it. Yeah. Bye-bye. Bye. Dia sama? B. Wait. Okay, wait. There's an F me. Yeah. Bye. Sama? Yeah, give it that chance. Bye. Apa dia? Tapi tidak work, baik.
Saan pa lang?
Teman-teman. Wow.
Where's the girl who was hit by the chandelier? Where is she?
Ay, multi. Ano ka ba ba din?
were brought in too late. She was too far gone.
Ito. Anak. Oh. Anak. Yung reses mo. Kaya
Like it's all my fault. Now what?
ay, sad. Hindi. Anak.
Care about me when you cheated on me and plotted
Ay.
against me to kill me? You're disgusting!
I never wanted to do any of that. It was her. That bitch seduced me.
Are you kidding me? We were in love first. It's Irene who stole you and tore us apart.
Hello? Hi. Hi. Hi, Bertha. Yes.
How
So,
dare you compare yourself to Irene? Baby, please. She tricked me into sleeping with her, and she's tried to blackmail me with my sex video.
I'm sorry. Blackmail you?
Yes. She said if I didn't agree to sleep with her, then she would drug me and take my nude photos and post online and ruin me. Ruin us!
You shameless gold digger! You'd make up any excuse just to save your ass and keep your wealth and glory. Are you two done yet? Actors of the year?
look.
I'm not acting. I swear. You have to believe me. We're husband and wife. That means everything. Hey!
You can tear them as many as you want. Jason, I'm warning you. My patience is also limited. Sign it amicably or this offer won't last.
Briefing meeting.
He's the full-time lead that you ever have. He's more of a man than you'll ever be.
Hi. So,
Such an honest tonight. Fucking your hit. He was inside of me. He got a whole trunk and left you in the hotel and then came straight to me. Like, I don't understand. Jason,
no, go hang up this
so
one.
how did you
Bye.
get to me? Yeah, Lilith. For these 18 years, I've always respected you. I'm so grateful for your love and care. I'm also very sorry for Tina's death. How dare you make her look like that? This is a paternity test from 18 years ago. It clearly states that Jason and Layla are not related.
Uy, where are you? Oh my god. No.
I heard everything you said, everything you did to me. You got me drunk on our wedding night and left me in a hotel with no regard for my reputation or safety. Here, Jason.
Stop.
This whole time, you've known everything? Like you two clowns could have pulled anything over on me. At first I was hurt. How does an embarrassing secret to make fools of yourself?
Press N. You almost kiss me hard. Get out. My gosh. Out. No. 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 Ah. You're the fast. Get out of my eyes. I swear. What?
I don't care about the man that night. All I know is I have my own.
Yeah. Boy. Yeah. Ah. Basta ha? Kalagad, yung nasa basta. Ayos mo ah. Ay, ang bagay. Ay, baka naman. Hulak mo.
You're just some low-life assistant. Who the hell is calling you?
Na. Ako mo. Nice. Ano ka? Nak. Sising na. Ako mo. Ang kiskulit. Diba? Nice ba? Nice. Bahawi. Okay. Nak. Nak. Okay. This is for the hamburger. Baba na. Bye bye. Check up. Okay, good. Bye.
What's wrong? I'm booking the next flight home. My mom and Brendan are in LA. I'll send them to you.
Yeah, no. I just have them. Ano naman yung ganda ko? Ano naman ko? Hindi. avocado, oh. How are you doing? Hello, tatay.
Shut up. A lawyer. Oh, please. Public defender's all you'll ever afford.
Momo. Kasi Momo lang. Oh, diba? Ay, lang ka. Anak. Bye-bye. Peace. Subscribe. Bye-bye.